Fun.
Hello everybody, this is Aaron Finn here once again, and today we're just going to do a little bit of a nature walk, and it's going to be freaking amazing. Let's do this. Okay, so let's go. First we're going to try out this new tree that we found. It's pretty awesome. We never really...
We found it a long time ago.
Yeah, we've been through it a while.
But it has some milk here.
God, that scared the crap out of me, you stupid cat! God, Chloe, what is wrong with you? You're on YouTube now! Oh! Okay, now let's go through this little part that Brianna found.
I had milk!
Okay, Brianna, stop it with the milk. Anyways, this is a little part that my sister found. Okay, Chloe, you're now on YouTube.
How about this part? Not
Chloe's now on YouTube. She is majestic. She is a fool. Okay, this is what my sister found.
Yeah.
There's some spiky blackberry parts. That's it. I should wear some jeans actually, because the place that we're going right now, oh God, it's got so much freaking blackberry bushes. Because my dad rammed it with this freaking truck, and now all the freaking blackberries are sticking up and all that. It really sucks because whenever I bring shorts, stop it with the milk! Gosh, what's up with you and milk right now?
And I got milk!
Gross, whatever. Okay,
Milk.
so Rena, which one should we go to first? The tree or the...
The tree.
Okay, let's go! 3, 2, 1, go! Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Okay, we made it. Okay, Brina. First off, we need to move this big thing so we can climb up.
I like playing doctors.
Whatever. I'm going this way. Brianna, get that thing off there. No! Okay, fine. I'll go this way. Whoa! Ah! It's so hard getting on this thing. Made it. Now I just gotta get up here.
You gotta let me get on first.
Why? God dang it, this is so hard getting up.
Yeah, hold the phone.
Okay, here, take the phone, don't press the red button.
Hello guys, this is our tree that we just climbed. Not for the first time, right? And not for the first time, right?
Yeah, we climbed this tree many times.
Yeah, we don't know how much we did because it was so many times. Here, it's back to Aaron.
A sec. Trying to get back to me. Okay, back to me. So yeah, I used to like this little stream right there, as you can see. We used to freaking go up on it and slide down. It was really fun, but now I can't because some person apparently tied it all up. I don't know who. Hey, what's that sound? Weird. Oh, there's my cat.
Here, let's get
She's acting crazy right now.
Let's get
She's
down.
acting her animal instinct.
Here, let's get down.
Why?
Because,
Bees?
yeah.
Yeah, my cat is like really freaking crazy. She does not know what she's doing. Hey, Brianna, hold the phone.
No, why can't you just drop down?
Because people are going to be like, oh my God, what happened? Are they dead? No. Hey, my phone. Anyways, you guys, here's my cat. She's pretty crazy. Up, and she's gone. My cat Chloe's like really freaking crazy. Brianna, come on. Dead butt. Okay, Brianna, now let's go adventure. Dun dun. We're going to the spiky place over there. Do do do. Oh, bunny. I don't know. Who do you think? Sandra! Oh, there's a bunny. Where'd the bunny go? There it is. It's shivering. Whatever. Can you guys see? No. It's really hard to see. Yeah? It's an apple. Oh, there's my cat again. The adventure one. Anyways, guys, here's what I meant by blackberry bushes. There's so many. Brianna's actually got long pants on. I got short pants, or just shorts on, so it's gonna be a lot harder for me. God, sure is crazy. Brianna, why do you suck your fingers so much?
Here, yesterday,
You just sucked them.
yeah.
Anyways, guys, right over there, it's a place that we usually hang out at nighttime. Just kidding, we don't really go out at nighttime. Because, you know, there's coyotes out. And those things are pretty big problems. I mean, who wants to mess with a coyote? Anyone? Anyone? Brianna, come on. You are so slow.
Yeah, because there's...
Brianna, let's hurry up because my battery on my phone's getting pretty low. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Brianna, I know you're faster than this. The only reason why I waited that little moment, Brianna, is because you take forever. I thought we moved that, didn't we? Didn't we move this, Brianna?
Look, it's bent.
Weird. I thought we moved this little branch. Apparently not. Anyways, this is where we usually hang out at daytime, not nighttime. Because coyotes... they're not my friend. I've never seen one in real life, but I know for a fact that coyotes are not humans' friends.
Yeah, we have.
Huh?
Yeah, we have. Remember when Dad said there was coyotes when we were walking a long time ago?
Well, we never saw them. Dad saw them, not us. That was
did.
Dad. No, you didn't. We looked them up on the internet. Brianna, come on. We've been here before. Come on, you've been a lot quicker. Are you just doing this for the people? For Grandma? Ow! Ouch! Stupid spikes. Brianna, that's not really a shortcut. It's a non-spiky way. Let's go the non-spiky way, though. It's not really non-spiky, but it's less spiky. Okay, Brianna, you are taking forever. Hurry up! Hey, Brianna, you know Grandma watches my videos. Drop the bass. Watch me. Alright, I can just go over here. Okay, Brianna, this way. Back to our home. Come on. Let's go. I hope I don't drop my phone. If I drop my phone and it breaks apart, I will kill myself. Honestly. They did. Yeah?
What happened?
I really don't know.
Here, look right there.
Gross. Okay, we're just gonna end the video here, guys. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.